Hello guys, look at my vending machine or cola machine. This is a 360 view, and then you can take a cola. There will not happen if you press it and again. So here it is. We take a money just like that, then push it, and then we will push this. Here, a cola. And then let's try another one. And then we will push it again. With another coin. Another cola. Another money again. Push it. And then there's a cola. But where is my money? This is the money container. And then